Welcome to Doha, Qatar, Miss Alyssa Valdez.
Salamat. Thank you for waiting for us.
Kumusta po ang ating biyahe advance again?
Good, it was good.
It was good?
Yes.
Ano pong ilo-look forward natin ngayon?
Oh, to meet
Dito
all
sa
the
Doha, Qatar?
Filipinos. Yeah, and all the volleyball players here in Qatar.
Wow. So guys, abangan natin ha si Ms. Alyssa Valdez this coming September 5 and 6 dito sa Qatar Sports Club.
Thank you.
The founder,
So I'm not from Qatar, but
the Phil Nation. Phil Nation Qatar.
how you playing?
10 minutes. Doon lang tayo mag-wait, sabi ni Sue.
And of course with me here are the members, the coaches of the Phil Nation Qatar. Hello po ma'am. Good evening. Kumusta po yung ating flight?
Very good.
Very good. Wala naman.
Nakapahinga naman.
Pahinga. Excited na ba makita ang Qatar?
Yes. Tagal na rin since we were last year.
Oh yeah.
Oh, years ago.
That's very good.
Before pandemic pa. Yeah. Parang kakagraduate lang niya ng college agad. Okay, sige.
September 3rd. Or I don't know if it's September. I think it's September here in LA.